To start with the bread pudding, we are cutting challah bread into small cubes. You can use any kind of bread, but challah bread always gives you a very good flavor. This is about 4 cups of bread cubes. Then we are going to butter a baking dish, but I'm using a vegan butter, and then we are transferring the bread cubes in the baking dish and keep it aside. Now with the custard, we are going to crack 3 whole eggs, and with that we are going to add 1 cup of brown sugar and 2 cups of oat milk. Any milk will do. Then we are going to add half a teaspoonful of nutmeg, half a teaspoonful of clove powder, and half a teaspoonful of allspice powder, and 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon powder. Now to this we are going to add 1 teaspoon each of vanilla and rum extract. This is optional. Then we are going to mix all of them together. And now in the bread we are going to add 3 tablespoons of butter and a cup of raisin. And we are going to pour the milk and egg mixture into the bread. And we're going to dab it a little bit so that the bread gets soaked in the milk mixture. Then we're going to leave it on the counter for 30 minutes. And after that we are going to bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes. Now after 50 to 60 minutes, your bread pudding is ready. We are going to let it cool on the counter for a few minutes. Once it is cooled totally, then we can cut a slice and serve it with a dollop of ice cream and a drizzle of caramel sauce. Enjoy!